Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the tailpiece and trap so you can see the drain layout. This lets you measure drop and rise accurately. Once done, confirm the branch pipe slope is 1/4 per foot toward the main drain so drains clear. Make sure you have a 2 AAV sized for the fixture group and 2 PVC or ABS to reach the cabinet ceiling. You want clear access now because cutting and dry fitting come next. You now dry fit the vent path. If you can run a full vent to the roof, route 2, pipe up through the cabinet and cut a countertop hole to continue inside the island core. If routing through the floor is impossible, install a code-approved 2 air admittance valve for 6 above the trap arm. This preserves trap seal and allows proper air entry. Make sure joints are solvent welded or threaded and supported, because a sagging vent causes slow drainage. You finish by permanently connecting and sealing every joint, supporting the vent at manufacturer-specified intervals so lines don't sag. Once sealed, run a full pressure test. Fill and empty sink repeatedly and run other nearby fixtures to verify venting under load. If you hear gurgling or slow drain, check that the AAV is upright and unobstructed, or inspect for a blocked vent line. Correcting those will restore equalized pressure and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.